Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by securing your data and confirming compatibility. Backup your user folder and create a system image. Once done, verify the backup integrity to avoid surprises. Make a bootable USB with the target OS ISO and choose the correct partition scheme for UEFI or legacy BIOS. Note down your product key and download network and storage drivers now so you don't get stuck offline later. This prepares you to boot from the installer and start the OS change immediately. You'll now perform the core installation steps. Boot from the USB installer, choose language and select custom install to manage partitions. Delete or format the target system partitions, then create new partitions sized for system, recovery, and data. Use one partition for UEFI EFI if applicable. If the installer can't see drives, load storage drivers from a secondary USB. Once drives are ready, proceed. The installer will copy files, expand them, and reboot multiple times during the middle phase of installation. You finish by walking through the out-of-box experience and configuring essentials. Create your user account, install vendor drivers, and run updates, then restore your backed up data and reinstall apps. Make sure boot order and secure boot settings match the new OS expectations. If something goes wrong, troubleshoot methodically. If the system won't boot, check UEFI versus legacy settings, repair or reinstall the bootloader from recovery media, and verify drive mode, OSI vs RAID. Keep the installation USB handy for recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.